right, let's look at this problem. Which statement is true about the number 713? So I want a true statement, and I want the number 713, okay? Well, remember, we're going to be talking about even and odd numbers and being divisible by 2 if it's even, and not being divisible by 2 if it's odd. So let's review our even numbers. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then our odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, okay? Oops. All right, so I'm going to look at my number 713. When you're trying to figure out if a number is even or odd, you're going to look at the number in the ones place, and we have a 3. 3 was an odd number. So, letter A, it is an even number because 3 is divisible by 2. 3 is not an even number. 3 is an odd number. That makes it an incorrect statement. It is an odd number because the number 3 is not divisible by 2. That is correct. Odd numbers are not divisible by 2. It is an odd number because the number 7 is not divisible by 2. Well, 7 is not divisible by 2 because 7 is an odd number, but that does not tell us if our number is even or odd. That's looking at the hundreds place value. We need to be looking at the ones place value. So because it says the number 7, that makes it wrong. It is an odd number because the number 1 is not divisible by 2. Well, 1 is not divisible by 2. That is a true statement, but that digit is in our tens place, and I'm looking for the digit in our ones place. So because it says number 1, that makes it wrong. That means our correct answer is B, and you can just type your answer right there, okay? You're going to work one very similar out on the next slide.